screen is 1 bedroom, 1 bath. As you can see from the map, the property is located just outside of Old Town Puerto Vallarta, right off Highway 200. This area is scenic, with magnificent views of the sea. The real estate professional is Carla Jacinto, and the property is located at Gardenias 292 in the exclusive area of Amapas. Surrounded by nature but close enough to beautiful beaches, restaurants, and the famous romantic zone, this pre-construction development starts at $255,500. There are only 8 units, most with a view of the city and the ocean. Thousands of expats, digital nomads, and retirees are already living in Puerto Vallarta. During the summer months, you can expect temperatures between 77 degrees Fahrenheit and 89 degrees Fahrenheit, while during the winter months, you can enjoy temperatures between 62 and 81 degrees Fahrenheit. The rent prices in Puerto Vallarta are 76% lower than in San Francisco, California. The local people, on average, earn less than $600 a month. Thus, the cost of living is more than affordable.